I've built a scalping indicator for trading NQ, ES, or gold contracts, and it went 17 and 7 today. So instead of just telling you that, I'm going to hop into the charts, show you how the indicator works, tell you how you can get it, and show you the real results for today, December 15th, 2025. So I'm actually going to start off with the worst one. If we don't include gold and we just use ES and NQ, it actually would have went 11 and 3. So we'll start with this one. I didn't trade any of these today. I actually was using this on ES and NQ. But basically, is how this works is it's giving you the signal fires, and there are 7 layers of confluence that go into these actually firing. I'm not going to go into exactly what they are because this is a proprietary indicator. But I'll give you a couple quick overviews of how it works. So I set all of the stop losses at 3 points and the take profits at 6 points. I'm constantly scalping a 1 to 2, and it's a scalp, so it's not a high stop loss, it's not a high take profit. We should be able to hit these relatively quickly in the New York session with decent amount of price action, which is why I'm using this in New York. So you can see here, this red line is the market open 9:30. I'm not going to take any trades before that. So the indicator is firing all the time. You can actually adjust that in the settings to have it be session specific or all sessions. I just have it on all right now while I'm testing everything. So this right here immediately called a long, and we set a 3 point stop loss, 6 point take profit. It hit the stop loss. So we start off with a loss. Then right here, it triggers a short. And just so you guys know, when you get this indicator, it's coming out in January. Is how it works is it repaints essentially. So for scalping, you want to get in as soon as the signal is called. However, while this 1 minute candle is popping, this red arrow may appear and it may disappear. So it's kind of like it's definitely a degen kind of play. The safest action would be to wait for the candle to close and the full signal to fire and then go in. But in this exact example, if I zoom in, you could see the signal fires on this candle, but if you wait for this one, it's a loss. So you kind of have to take a little bit of how much risk are you willing to go, because this thing painted the signal right away, right out the gate. If you would have taken it the minute that it appears, it would have been a win. This one here is another win. This is a win. Everything is getting a 3 point stop loss to a 6 point take profit, a 1 to 2. You can see again, it goes long. The way the market was today, everything was pretty much bearish. So the long was another loss. So far we're 3 and 2. We get a quick win here. We get a loss on a short here. And then we get a win, a loss, and a win. So we are 6 and 4 on gold, scalping with a 3 point stop loss and a 6 point take profit. Like I said, gold actually was the worst today. It was the closest to 50% of all of them. You still would have been profitable because you're getting a 1 to 2 on everything. So you would have made money. You know, if you essentially think of these in the term of dollars, 3 point stop loss, you would have lost $12. You would have made $36. So when you're targeting a 1 to 2, the profit is certainly there. So again, lost $12, made $36. You would have been up 24 units essentially on the day, whatever your settings would have been on this. So then on NQ, I was looking at NQ today. You can see down here, I did take a couple of these. The green arrow right here was before 9:30, and I don't take any trades before 9:30 market opens. So if you would have played that one, you would have lost, but I wouldn't have played it even though it was right. Like I was watching the charts when this one fired. You pretty much would have got an instant win right here. As soon as market opened and this candle painted, you would have went in, or this signal painted, excuse me, went in. That's pretty much an instant win. This was a win, stretched a little bit, popped around, maybe got close, but it definitely reclaimed there. So a win, a win, a win. You had a loss, a win on a rebound. This one is null because you were still being this one right here, letting that go. And then you have a win. These also are null because you're still in this first one. So those don't count. Obviously, you wouldn't have went in again and again and again. And then this one is a loss right here. And while I was actually doing this, this would have been, you'd still be in this. It'd be pending. But this was prior to me even doing these calculations. So we'll exclude that one for now. Would have went 5 and 2, 30 point stop loss to a 60 point take profit, 1 to 2. You would have essentially lost $60 and made $300 if you were using these as units. So in total, you would be up 240 points in total on your scalps here. And then again here, actually, I need to adjust this one. When I made this chart and I marked everything up today to show this. This was pending. This had not hit here. So I'll change this to a loss, which skews us a little bit, but we're still, I mean, you can see at the top where I'm changing this, we only had one loss prior. So on ES, you get a win, a win, a win, a loss, win, 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 void, void, loss, right here. And that would have been our 6 wins and 2 losses. So 6 point stop loss, 12 point take profit, 1 to 2, lost 12 points, made 72 points. However you're doing your risk to reward, however you want to calculate that out. But in total, let's just re-add them up. You have 6 wins and 2 losses here. NQ, you have 5 wins and 2 losses. So you're 11-4 across NQ and ES. So between NQ and ES, you pretty much have a 73.33% win rate. And then when we look at GC, like I said, GC is kind of the one that hosed us today. This also would have been assuming that you took every single one of these trades. Like, it's not possible to do that. But if you did, you would have ended up being 17-8 for a total of 25 trades, and you would have had a win rate of 68% using this scalping tool, which 68% on a 1 to 2 risk to reward is an incredible return on the day. So the numbers check out, the chart checks out. I'm continuing to back test this to just make sure that it's solid before it rolls out to QuantCrawler lifetime members on January 4th. So let me explain how you guys can get access to this indicator, because I have a website called QuantCrawler.com. It basically does technical AI analysis. It has a trade journal. It has a bunch of other indicators, a bunch of tools, calculators, resources. It has pretty much everything. You get a free 30-day trial, and then after that, it's just $9.99 a month. But is what I did was I rolled out a lifetime membership. The lifetime membership, you obviously never pay again. You have your membership for life. And instead of $9.99 a month, you pay $349 one time, and you have lifetime access. So with that upfront commitment comes upfront rewards that you get over monthly members. And this is the very first thing that lifetime members are going to get. So if this is something you want, this is not going to be something that is going to be shared. It's not a link. It's not anything. It's an invite only script coming to TradingView where I have to actually enter in your username, and I am the only one that allows access on and off. So there's no getting around the system. There's no cheating it. There's no, hey, give me the link to this, please. I'll give you $20. It's no, if you're a lifetime member, you get it. If you're not a lifetime member, this is the benefit of being a lifetime member, is you get something that today performed with a 68% win rate across 3 tickers.